Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the first steps. Charge the Poco X6 Pro 5G to at least 50% and enable battery optimization exceptions. Once done, backup photos, messages, and app data to My Cloud or Google. Make a local copy if you prefer. Next, check settings about phone system update for the official OTA. If you downloaded firmware manually, place the file in the phone's root storage. Now reboot to recovery or tap Install to begin the update process. Now continue with the complex middle steps. If you're using the official OTA, let it download fully over stable Wi-Fi and then tap Install. The phone will reboot and apply the package. For manual ROMs, boot into recovery, holding volume up plus power, choose Install Update from local, select the firmware file, and confirm. During flashing, monitor progress and keep the device plugged in. Make sure to wait patiently. Interrupting this stage can brick the device, so avoid touching controls until it finishes. Finish the process by validating system integrity and resolving common problems. After the update completes, boot and wipe the cache partition to clear residual files and improve stability. Then check that Google account, network connectivity, fingerprint, and camera functions work correctly. Reinstall any apps if needed. If the phone enters a boot loop, try recovery to restore your backup first. If that fails, perform a factory reset as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a working backup and the original firmware handy to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.